Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. See what Naira Marley and Tiwa Savage were pictured doing during a recording section last night. The queen of Nigerian entertainment industry, Tiwa Savage, was pictured with rave of the movement, Afeez Fashola, popularly known as Naira Marley. The duo, who seemed to be cooking some new music, were having a recording session late into the night, and venue would most likely be the Melvins headquarters. The king of no manners was pictured seeing himself to some marijuana to set him in the mood, and we have Mama Jam Jam donned in oversized pants, sleeveless top, and a scarf wrapped around her head. Guys, let me know what you think about this collabo in the comment section below.